Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you will learn tips and tricks to grow your online business. In today's video, I will be talking on how to find YouTube topics. And by the way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss any content that I'll put out on a daily basis. Let's go over to YouTube now. So here we are on YouTube, and you put in YouTube tips. Should have brought, I guess, yeah. And then you can hit view. And the only reason why make sure I clarify this, the only reason why I'm doing this is because in case you run out of ideas for your channels and you can't come up with topics on your own, because I know there's lots of times when I can't come up with topics of my own. So you hit YouTube tips or whatever your topic is, and like hit A, it'll bring up more. Hit B, it'll bring up more. Hit C, it'll bring up more. And you can just go through the whole alphabet like that. Then you can go over to Keyword Tool, which is Keyword Tool IO, and then go over to the YouTube, and you can do the same trick. Put YouTube topics. Then it'll bring up all of these. Now they're in alphabetical order. They're in no rank order or anything like that. They're just in alphabetical order. But they gives you a better broad idea of what's going on. Then you can go over to YouTube, or not YouTube, Google. Go to Google and then hit YouTube ideas, YouTube topics. Scroll down. Then it gives you all, more where like blogs or people writing on YouTube. You can just go and grab their ideas and just click on it and read what they have to say and make a video on it. Easy peasy. Then there's one more tool, which is called TubeBuddy. Now I don't fully own it, or I have to upgrade, in other words, to have it, but I can show you pretty much what to expect. And see, I hadn't even, as I'm typing it in, you're seeing this. This is all I get because I need a upgrade. When you upgrade, I'm sure they give you a whole bunch more topics. And then you can go back over YouTube and type in, and if you're doing like affiliate marketing, you just hit affiliate marketing. And like, let's say, it gives you a bunch down, but we're going to click on the first one, OD Productions. Then you'll go to his videos. Then you want to go to sort by, and then you can click the most popular. Now what that does, it brings up the most popular video. Now why do you want to do that? Because it'll give you the top ranking titles. So all you gotta do is like, say for example, this one. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, you can put what is affiliate marketing and then change it up. You don't want to copy it word for word. You want to change it up, make it your own. And then inside the video, you don't do it word for word. You change it up and make it your own. And that's pretty much all I know so far. So I'll keep you up to date and let you know more. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to do that. And then also there's some links down below. See you later. Bye. Bye for now.